Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn to write a loan denial letter. What is a loan denial letter? A loan denial letter is a formal notification sent by a lender to an applicant, informing them that their application for a loan has been declined. This letter typically includes the reasons for the denial, such as credit score issues, insufficient income, or other factors that affected the lender's decision. It also often provides information on the applicant's rights, to request further details or to dispute the decision, as well as any next steps they might take, to improve their chances for future loan applications. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a loan denial letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to put a header of the letter. Each company or organization must have their official header. It contains information like the name of the organization, the address of the company or organization include number, street name, city, state, and zip code, as well as the contact information like phone number and email address. In this case, the writer is the First National Bank. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, you can write the information about the recipient. Write the recipient's full name. Under it, write their home address. When you do it, you need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing these information, now you can write a formal salutation. Simply, you can write, "Dear," followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, which is introduction paragraph, this is where you write about acknowledgement of application. It means, you need to thank the applicant for their interest in the loan. Appreciate also for the time they invested in the application process. By doing this, of course, you need to mention the name of your organization or company. Here is the example how you write it. We appreciate your interest in obtaining a loan from First National Bank, and the time you have invested in the application process. After that, now you can directly write the purpose of the letter. Yes, you need to state that after careful consideration, the bank, or your company, is unable to approve the loan request at this time. You need to do it politely because the recipient is still your customer. Here is the example how you write it. After careful consideration of your loan application, and a thorough review of your financial information, we regret to inform you that we are unable to approve your loan request at this time. In the second paragraph, this is where you write about reason for denial. After stating the denial in the previous paragraph, now you must write the reason why. Of course, you must write the explanation of the decision. Here, you can clearly list the specific reasons for the loan denial. They are such as insufficient credit history, or other criteria not met. You can write it this way. The decision to deny your loan application was based on the following reasons. And then, you give the details on financial review. Mention that the decision was based on a thorough review of the applicant's financial information. If you have more than one reason, you must write them all in this section. In this example, it is said that the reason is insufficient credit history, which did not meet our minimum requirements for loan approval. In the third paragraph, this is where you show your acknowledgement of disappointment. It means, recognize that the news may be disappointing to the applicant. You can simply write something like, "We understand that this news may be disappointing." And then, you can continue by giving your advice for improvement. In this section, you need to provide suggestions on how the applicant can improve their chances for future loan approval. They are such as improving credit history, or reducing outstanding debt, or so on. Here you can try to look at this example. We encourage you to review the details of your credit report and financial situation. Improving your credit history by ensuring timely payments and reducing outstanding debt may enhance your chances of loan approval in the future. Sure, you can copy it in case you have no other idea what to write in this paragraph. In the fourth paragraph, now you can talk about right to credit report. It means, you can start to inform the applicant of their right to request a free copy of their credit report from the credit reporting agency used within 60 days of receiving the denial notice. Some customers may not have any idea about this, and it is your obligation to give an enlightenment. If you have no idea what to write, you can simply copy this. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have the right to a free copy of your credit report from the credit reporting agency that we used to evaluate your application if you requested within 60 days of receiving this notice. In the fifth paragraph, write about disputing inaccuracies. It means, you need to mention the applicant's right to dispute any inaccuracies in their credit report directly with the credit reporting agency. You can state it like this. Additionally, you have the right to dispute any inaccuracies in your credit report directly with the credit reporting agency. In the sixth paragraph, this is where you offer for further assistance. By doing so, you need to give your contact information. Sure, you can encourage the applicant to contact the loan department for any questions or further clarification. And you can write something like, if you have any questions or require further clarification regarding the decision, please feel free to contact our loan department at 212-555-1234. You can also give official email address of the organization. After giving the contact information, now you need to show your availability of support. Reassure the applicant that the bank's team is available to provide guidance on improving eligibility for future loan applications. The customers would be happy reading it. You can write something like, our team is here to assist you and provide guidance on possible steps you may take to improve your eligibility for future loan applications. In the last paragraph, which is closing paragraph, this is where you write expression of gratitude. Thank the applicant again for considering the bank for their financial needs. You may simply write it like this. Thank you again for considering First National Bank for your financial needs. After that, write your hope for future opportunities. Express hope to have the opportunity to serve the applicant under different circumstances in the future. And yes, here is the example. We hope to have the opportunity to serve you under different circumstances in the future. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name, job position or occupation in the company, and the company name under it. So, that's how you write a loan denial letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.